Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing the Lord's Prayer by Thompson, and we're going to be doing it in the key of C. Alright, okay, so C is a very simple key. If you don't understand the basics of key C, I would want you to go to the my first videos that I made on the key of C rather, and then learn it. So you have as a major scale of the key of C. All right, so in the song, I'm going to show you the chords that you need for the song, and when I finish, I'm going to play everything together for you to be able to know how the song is. And I'm going to be putting the link of the song in the description, so that if you don't know the song, you can go and listen to it, and then also learn the chords thereof. All right, so it starts on a 4. Okay, so there's a chord 4, and then moves to 6, and then 5. That's the intro. Then 4, 6, 5. Then you play. Then 4, 5, 6. All right, so that's for the intro. These are the chords you need. 4. This is a chord 6. Okay, and then chord 5. Now you can play your 6 without the 9th in it, so you can play it like this. Okay, and then your 5th chord too, this is it. Or you can play a suspended chord like this before you move the 1 note to the 7th note. So if you see me playing it in the build up together, that is a chord. Or if you see me playing 4 like this, okay, so this is a 4, it's an inversion, so the A comes here like this, and then I add the 9th chord note to it like this. Okay, so your 4, 6, and then 5. That's the song. Okay, all right, then from there it starts. The next verse, it comes to 1, then chord 5. So this is how you play your chord 1. Okay, or you can invert it like this. You already know your chord 5. You already know your chord 6, and then chord 4. Okay, so in the song, there's a place they play a 3 like this, and then they play. So from the 3, you see they play this diminished chord. Now this a flat 5 chord, a flat 5 diminished chord, then to 5. Then when they are moving to 6, they play a flat 6 before the 6, and then 5, and then 4. Okay, so the times you don't hear the 1 chord, probably they are playing, sorry, they are playing the 3, and then to the 5, and then 6. Now this song is structured like this. Anytime you hear the 1 chord, it moves to 5, and then 6, and then to 4. There are times too from the 1, 5, 6, and then back to 5. When it's coming back to 5, you can play a suspended chord. Now don't be worried, I'm going to put everything together at the end of the tutorial, so that you, when I'm playing, you know that okay, this is what he's playing. So note your chord 4 down, chord 6 down, okay, chord 5 down, and then chord 3. Now the chord 3, I maintain the 5 over the 3. Okay, so when I'm about to play the 5, okay, now this the diminished chord, flat 5, and then this is the flat 6 before the 6. Okay, so so far these are the chords for the song. So I'm going to put everything together so that you can be able to learn and play. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.